When you're in the process of looking at an upgrade or a new Maximo implementation, you might be starting with a business partner, you might be starting with an IBM seller. And the reality is, you probably want both at the table. And the reason is because we have two different functions, both very important. We have slightly different resource pools that we pull from. And if you have a good business partner and a good seller, you're going to get better results in terms of responses to your request for information and understanding by leveraging the two. So let's talk real quick about those roles and what they look like and why they're there. So the IBM sellers are there to ensure that the customer has a good understanding of what the platform can do. And so today when we're talking about the Maximo application suite, there is a ton of stuff under that roof. And they have a team of people behind them who are on call to pop in and walk us through feature functionality, walk us through what's coming, talk about use cases of all those various applications. And they have the capability to go really deep in the weeds on what those features and functions are. That is super important. Now, what they don't do is step out into the field and actually work through the implementation side. But that's where the partner comes in. And what your business partner should be very adept at, an expert, if you will, is understanding your current business situation and how software is or is not currently helping you. And what they are going to be looking at is what your goals are and how those processes and practices should be changing to achieve those goals. And then how the features and functions of the software are going to be implemented in order to support the pursuit and achievement of those goals. So at the end of the project, you can actually show an efficiency gain and a return on your investment in the platform. So these go hand in hand. And at that point of those features and functions is kind of where it transitions from, well, there's a feature with this capability, but now based upon your processes and where the business partner takes over, your processes and practices show us that you should be leveraging that feature or function in this manner. And here's how it should probably be implemented based upon today's understanding in order to optimize the efficiency of the implementation, software usage, and therefore your operations. So we play two different roles, but we work hand in hand, and ideally you have both at the table helping you from our respective areas. Long term, unfortunately, IBM sellers get moved around quite a bit. You're lucky if you have one for a few years today, whereas your partners, we're there as your long-term partner throughout your 5, 10, 15, 20-year journey with Maximo. And that's what we do great. I'm sure there's a lot more questions in there. As always, these things are complicated. They're never straightforward. We understand that. That's why we're here. Reach out, ping us, ask us questions, like, subscribe, give us a call, shoot us an email at sales@banetti.com, and we're here to help. Get ready with Banetti.